Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to reverse a string. So let's go ahead and create a new package. And I'm just going to call it reverse string. Just make it lowercase. And in here, I'll create a new class reverse string. Okay. And in here, let's go ahead and create a main method, right? So usually what will happen, and again, this is a very, very common interview question as well. Usually what will happen if we create something like, let's say, string, let's call it name or something, or let's actually call this original string, okay? Equals, I don't know, let's actually call it original, right? Simple enough. So what we have to do, right? If we normally, if we wanted to just print this out, right? Usually what will happen, we just do original string, right? And then it'll just print out original, right? Many times what we want to do, we want to reverse the order of this. So O will be at the end, L would be the beginning, right? So how do we do that? So usually what we should do, we should create like a temporary variable, you could say, that doesn't hold anything, right? So you can say string, and then we can say updated string or reverse string or whatever you want to call it. And we'll just initialize it with just blank, right? Nothing in here, we just as is. And how we can do this thing, usually whenever we want to reverse something like a string or something, right? The first thing we have to do, we have to, this automatically, whenever we want to reverse something, we are thinking of a loop, right? In this case, what we're going to be doing, we're going to do the for loop. So let's do for loop, this one, okay? So we're going to do for int I equals 0, I is greater than, in this case, the argument is going to be the original string dot length, right? And this length, just put a brackets in there, and then we're going to do I plus plus. So what we're saying that I is 0, right? This is the value that we have created. As long as I is less than the original string dot length, increase it by 1, okay? So how we can, again, there are multiple ways to do this thing. So let's say we do updated string equals original string dot, and we want to get the every single character, right? So char at I is the value that we put in there, and we want to do plus updated string, okay? So that should do it. Let's just do s out, and let's do updated string, and end it with the colon over here. If I was to run this, there you go. See that? So initially we have the original, and then we have the original, but it's reversed. Updated, I can just call it reversed string. Reversed string. Yeah. Updated reverse string. I'll just run it one more time. There you go. So now if I want to have, let's say, updated or original string, right? What this would do, see, it'll automatically just do this thing. Again, the char add is just getting all the characters. It's just getting all the characters basically. So yeah, this is just one way of how do you reverse a string. Obviously, you can use minus minus as well. There are various ways to do this thing, but this is one of the easiest way to do it, where you have the original string, whatever the string is, and then you create another string variable with a blank, and then again, this is just for information purposes because you just want to print out what the original thing said, and then just use a for loop. Is that I is 0, I less than the original string length, right? As long as the I is less than the original string length, just increase it. So in this case, we just do this thing. Again, we just, created a blank thing right here. So you can just create it over here, updated reverse string, which is this, equals original string, which is this, dot character at, so every single character, plus reverse string. And then it just gives me everything, just, reversing it. Cool. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. And this is a quick little short video. If you do need any help with this, do let me know. If you have any other questions, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comments. Thanks so much. Have a good one.